In this tutorial, you'll learn how to promote a given function. In the Patients data class, we have a register function, which creates a new patient. This function can be executed by the Register Patient privilege. We have also the Create Patient privilege, which can create data in the Patients data class. Thanks to this, the Patients data class is protected against malicious creation of data thanks to the Create Patient privilege. Because the Patients.register function creates data in the Patients data class, the user must have both privileges, Register Patient plus Create Patient, to execute this function. Now we promote the Patients.register function with the Create Patient privilege. Therefore, the Create Patient privilege will be added to the session only during the execution of the Patients.register function. Therefore, the user who needs to execute the Patients.register function only needs to have the Register Patient privilege. Let's put this into action. We remove the Create Patient privilege from the doctor role because it is not necessary anymore. We have a web form to create a new patient. The Create Patient button calls the Patients.register function and refreshes the patients list. A user with the doctor role is authenticating themselves. We are authenticated as doctor. The doctor can create a new patient because they have the Register Patient privilege. Find more on the Qodly Studio documentation. Thank you for watching.